Mga kapatid, lalo na sa mga kabataan, kung hindi nyo alam o hindi nyo naiintindihan, basta wag na wag nyong gagawin ang ginawa nito. Alam nyo bang nasa 10 Commandments? Number 3, Thou shalt not take the name of the Lord thy God in vain. Huwag na huwag mong gagamitin ang pangalan ng Diyos sa kabalintunaan o sa kahit anong kalokohan. Maswerte si kuya, yun lang ang inabot niya. Yung iba, bumabagsak at nagiging isa na lang alaala. Marahil marami sa inyo hindi nakakaalam kung ano yung kordero ng Diyos. Ang kordero ng Diyos, para madali nyo maintindihan, i-Englishin natin, it is the Lamb of God. At yan ay titulo ni Jesus Christ dahil siya ay Lamb of God. Lamb is batang tupa na kadalasang ginagawang sacrifice. At si Jesus Christ ang ginawang sacrifice ng Panginoon upang tubusin tayong lahat sa ating mga kasalanan. Kaya't wag na wag mong gagamitin ang mga katotohanan ito sa anumang kalokohan o katatawanan. Sa banal na kasulatan, binabalaan tayo against using the name of the Lord in vain. Sa Exodus 20 verse 7, it is written, You shall not take the name of the Lord your God in vain. For the Lord will not hold him guiltless who takes his name in vain. This commandment serves as a reminder of the sanctity and reverence that should be afforded to God's name. Galangin mo ang ngalan ng Panginoon. Katulad ng napanood natin, yung taong yun na flip top and experience niya ang consequences for his action. And it could serve as a reminder of the seriousness of such matters. Huwag mong i-flip top si Lord. Sa Proverbs 18 verse 21, Death and life are in the power of the tongue, and they that love it all shall eat the fruit thereof. Ine-emphasize ng verse na ito ang power of our words and the weight they carry. It is important to approach God with reverence and respect, recognizing that our words have the ability to build up or tear down. May we all seek to honor the name of the Lord in all that we say or do.